Hi everyone, welcome back to Zenova, and in this video I wanted to just go through some quick calculations on a portfolio and a little bit of setup for viewing, custom viewing. So initially when you do have a portfolio set up, which you can either set up through your Stockwatch portfolio here, and new port, remove port. Once you create a new one, it will show in the drop down and you would save it. Go back to home. Portfolios will show up here. Select the one you want to view. It will very quickly show you all the outputs right here on the home page with a live feed. So this represents my portfolio here for allocation, my different outputs, volatility, portfolio value at risk, portfolio outputs. All of these outputs here are for the portfolio that I've selected, my returns and my risk, and a lot of other metrics. Scrolling down, I can see benchmarks with volatility. These are hard-coded in there to just give you an idea where benchmarks are trading. As I scroll down, I can see my portfolio in the analytics grid right here. And this is where the grid will calculate for me about 80 different outputs using a real-time feed. You can scroll across here and see them. You can also very quickly go in and calculate correlation, covariance, principal component analysis, factor analysis using Fama-French 5 or 6 factors or an underlying benchmark. In this case, I'm doing Fama-French 5 factors. Backtesting the portfolio. And I can also look at a portfolio snapshot, which will show me a window with all my portfolios and give me sort of an overhead snapshot of their performance. And now as I go over to the dashboard, this will take a little bit of time to load because of the complexity of the dashboard. I'm in dashboard now. There's a lot of information in dashboard, and you can close any of the windows you don't want to see just by hitting this little collapsible area right here on any of the windows, and that will allow you to customize. But in dashboard is where I could go down and I could look at a portfolio tree, and this would give me an idea what all my different positions are. I could select whichever ones I'd like to run some what-if analysis on, save after I've selected those, go back into dashboard, and scroll down to the bottom if you're interested in portfolio optimization or shocking, stressing trades. Right now, I'm going to do portfolio optimization at 10% minimum return, maximize my Sharpe ratio. I'm also going to do a base override of default in terms of looking at my P&L, but I'm going to shock the S&P down 10%, but I'm make the betas all be correlated at 1. So let me calculate that real quickly. And there's your output. You can actually see your stock original allocation, your optimized allocation. Down below, it will also allow you to look at each individual security, showing you what the optimal percentage is for each one of those securities, how many shares you'd have to buy or sell. The shock information would be over here. You can see where it's down 10%. The index is down 10% on the shock, and we can see that we would lose about $10,624. Hope this helps. See you soon.